is mad. Know if you've won or not. Okay, hi there everyone. Welcome back to my channel, and I want to share with you this really exciting announcement, and that is that I am doing a raffle for you that you could win £150 worth of our products, whether it be devices, makeup or skincare products, whatever you like, and you can pick a number from 1 to 40, and that number I will be picking out who wins in a video in the future out of a hat. And let me know what number you want down in the comments or email me here. And also, it's a global company, so we're from anywhere from Europe to South Africa, and so anywhere there you can all pick a number, and I'm looking forward to seeing who wins. Good luck everyone, I'll see you soon.